Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2020 Honda Civic LX. Powering this accident-free one-owner hatchback is a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired to a one-speed, constantly variable transmission capable of getting you only 6 to 8 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the hatch of the vehicle, you have this nice retractable cargo cover, which reveals lots of cargo space and your cloth floor mats. Moving up to the interior, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows. On the dash is your forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and on the steering wheel you have your display controls, hands-free audio, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. This vehicle is currently sitting at only 35,905 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit which has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go, heated front seats, some storage, as well as your gear select, parking brake, brake hold, and economy mode. You also have some additional storage and power ports down below. This Civic has premium cloth black seats as well. For the back of the interior, you have 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip-down cup holder and armrest in the center. If you would like to see this 2020 Honda Civic LX in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.